headlines. 9 dead to critically injured in massive fire in Delhi. And Congress JMM goes past majority mark. BJP had on 28 seats in Jharkhand. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. At least 9 people died while 2 others were critically injured in a massive fire at a cloth godown in Delhi, Kirari area, a fire official said. The fire broke out in the early hours of Monday, around 12:30 a.m. media report said. The godown is located in the lower part of the 4-story building. The fire has been dosed, fire department officials said. The victims were admitted to Sanjay Gandhi Memorial Hospital and other nearby hospitals. Further details are awaited. The Congress JMM RJD alliance is leading on 42 seats while the BJP is ahead on 28 seats, show initial trends as counting of votes began for the Jharkhand Assembly elections. The AJSU, which recently broke the alliance with the BJP, is ahead on 3 seats, while Babulal Marandi's Jharkhand Vikas Morcha is leading on 4 seats and the others on 4 seats as per a media report. The most prominent candidates in the election are Chief Minister Raghubar Das, his predecessor Hemant Soren, All Jharkhand Students Union President Sudesh Mato, and the Jharkhand Vikas Morcha Babulal Marandi. In the 81-member assembly, the ruling BJP has 43 MLAs and its ally AJSU 4, while opposition Congress has 7, JMM has 18 MLAs, JVP has 2, BSP 1, MCC 1, CPIML 1 and Independence 3. Troops of Assam Rifles apprehended 4 individuals and seized 4 trucks of timber being illegally transported from Jaupi to Imphal on December 20. Based on the information received from sources regarding movement of 4 trucks loaded with illegal timber from Jaupi to Imphal, Assam Rifles seized the loaded vehicles at Langmidong. The teams of Wangu Police Station and Forest Department Kukching apprehended the 4 drivers and confiscated the illegal consignment respectively. The confiscated timber, known as Kangra, weighed approximately 60 tons and worth Rs 40 lakh. The drivers of the 4 vehicles along with the illegal consignment have been handed over to Wangu Police Station for further investigation, a report said. Members of Lomi Shinmi Apunlu Manipur Losal today inspected illegally constructed commercial sites in the paddy field of Imphal East and West. The inspection was carried out to mark World Farmers' Day. President of Losal, Mutum Churamani, claimed that the government has been neglecting the wetland and paddy land areas, thereby violating Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014. Churamani condemned the act of allowing construction of hospital, oil pumps and shopping malls in paddy fields. He urged the government to look into the matter.
Private hospital se labuk lamhang da sabu yabagi ayaba provision hapchal mi sikarigino 2014 gi matung da ngasi phawba leptana hoje ekoina lepi mafam sidaida thonkalaiba leibak thonkalaiba aduga yod khajaliba sariba yumsing aduga sariba thongsing ase leingakna athuba matamda thingnanaba honabiu adu natadana inner permit system manipur da chanare e harga Mamang the Sangiba, meeting to the Adum Jackazino Matung the Lak, Migi the Makta, Equi, Carito Sike Yingsi, and a Kanabagi talk to the 2014 gi, Echi passed over Madugi Matunda, action taken Amata Tauratana, Hoji Power 2019 Giloshala, Hauda, Sari Basing Hanger, the Hibatargadi, Mawung Tadaba, totalitarian democracy, totalitarian Gomen Amana, Salaibani have said, Equi Lomi Miam, Logi.
Now it's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
The Chopstick Buddies. Authenticity of China, now at Imphal. The Chopstick Buddies is a corner store in the Brewbags family, recognized for its classic Chinese foods, personalized atmosphere, excellent service and genial staff members. We offer a range of vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods prepared by expert chefs using fresh and quality ingredients. Please come and visit for the best Chinese cuisines at Imphal, Soibamlikai Jenims Road, Porompat, Imphal East, or contact us at 8731847066.
Yang what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Chasingi marakta miyamna khangnaraba Gambhiras Valley Strong City Anoba chagi mana singdagi saba asengba amadi mahau leiraba Valley Strong Tea asibu mahau lobinabagi ngasimak leibiu anoba technique kaya sizinaduna semjariba Gambhiras Valley Strong Tea. City asi gram chama chani yankai amadi chamangagi peketa makal kaya thokna fanganjari cha asigi mahau lobina bagidamak ngasimak leibiu Gambhiras Valley Strong City.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna Pungkun Mari Chupna Miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance Service asina Miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yum thang nariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingbani. Masida natana lambigi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak sep taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets khara yenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sigi sets anu yorokuni, ma'am. Yengbiu.
Sisam fazadro. Sisam fazadro che. Yam egins ui.
Mobile furniture wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pijari.
Thare the DC torsia.
Bhaiya che semi torsi.
Se booking toksin jar.
Welcome back after the break. Yangon Pokpi Company operating base corp of Manipuri Battalion organized a community service cum interaction program with an aim to interact with the local of Yangon Pokpi village in Imphal East. Over 100 villagers participated in the event. Nambol Company operating base corp of Tulihal Battalion also organized a security meet where locals were updated on current situation existing in the area of responsibility. There was also an interaction carried out on necessary measures required to be undertaken for maintaining a strict vigil against illicit activities in the area. The attendees were also sensitized regarding the ill effects of drug among the youths and to guide them to lead a healthy and prosperous life. Over 75 local, including Gram Pradhans, attended the meet. Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi extended Christmas greeting and best wishes to the people of Nagaland. The pre-Christmas celebration took place yesterday evening at Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan in Kohima. Among the many highlights, lighting of Christmas candle by Governor of Nagaland and Meghalaya R.N. Ravi and the Chief Minister Nephew Rio, while wife of the Governor Lakshmi Ravi and wife of Chief Minister Kaisario cut the Christmas cake. The event of Christmas celebration was followed by dinner hosted by Governor and his wife. The severe cold spell which impacted the entire northern region last week is likely to continue in the coming weeks, with cold wave conditions predicted to set in over Delhi and neighboring states after Christmas. The India Meteorological Department IMD said on Sunday. Sunday was also classified as a severe cold day, the fifth in the past 7 days, with a maximum temperature of 14.6 degrees Celsius, 7 degrees below normal, and a minimum temperature of 7.4 degrees Celsius. There was dense fog in the morning hours with less than 150 meters visibility at 5:30 a.m. and only 700 meters around 8:30 a.m. There was, however, sunshine later in the day and chilly winds which helped disperse pollution, bringing down the air quality index AQI from 418 in the severe category to 322 in the very poor category. A low-intensity earthquake shook Koyna region in Maharashtra Satara district this morning. However, no loss of life or property was reported. The earthquake of magnitude 2.6 was recorded at 6:42 a.m. with its epicenter was 8 km from the Koyna Dam, according to reports. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawgi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnai na coaching tohonba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokhraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
SV Gadwell School, Hautal Thangzam Kuro, Imphal East Pangai Road presents Run Gadwell Run, a cross-country road with the theme Believe in Yourself on Sunday the 15th of December 2019. Why we run? Mind cleaning, time for ourselves, time with friends, teaches us to keep moving forward. Lastly, to believe that you can achieve what you have dreamed of.
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry, if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Adongi gari edu mangkhini haibagi hojikti mipainingai oidre. Subnatagi lupa 2,500 piba Vedlock hairiba vehicle anti-theft lock asina irai laina ngakthokpa ngamle. Device installation su free oijagani. Ngasimang lengsin biro Kulhu Techno Solution, Friends Colony, Mantri Pukri, Imphal. Buy online at kulhu.com. Phone number 70051178881 natraga 9615227146. Sunday open. Timing 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Welcome back after the break. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the National Register of Citizens (NRC) was implemented in Assam on the orders of the Supreme Court. While speaking at the BJP election rally at the Ramlila Maidan in New Delhi yesterday, Modi said that the idea of implementing NRC in Assam came during the time when Congress was in power. Modi also said that the issue of NRC was not discussed in Parliament or the Union Cabinet ever since the BJP came to power at the centre. The Prime Minister also lashed out at the Congress and accused them for spreading rumours and lies about Citizenship Amendment Act CAA and NRC. More than 60 vehicles have been involved in a pile-up in foggy conditions on a motorway in the U.S. state of Virginia. There were no reports of fatalities in the crash on Interstate 64 near Williamsburg, but more than 50 people were injured too critically. The cause of the accident is being investigated. According to a report, the crash happened at about 8 a.m. local time yesterday on the westbound carriageway. Now we have the sports news. The 28th Assam Master Athletic Meet scheduled to be held at Bokakhat in Golakhat district has been postponed indefinitely. The athletics meet was scheduled to be held from December 27 to 30 next. Media reports say that a decision in this regard was taken yesterday by the Assam Master Athletic Association with respect to the prevailing situations in the state. Now, the local newspaper headlines.
The Sangay Express. Over 1,500 held during days of protest over CAA. Fallout of CAA. Assam eyes laws for indigenous rights. KSU to continue anti-CAA stand. Biren preaches mutual respect, honesty. The People's Chronicle. CPI leader jailed amid demand for release. Will continue movement against CAA, says Congress. CAA against secular ethos of Constitution. Chief Minister fears ILPS excesses will scare away investors. Using surname will bring Meitei Pangal closer to Meiteis, says Biren. Imphal Free Press. Prime Minister Modi says citizenship law and NRC have nothing to do with Muslims. Withdrawing Citizenship Act is the duty of government, says MPCC. Focus on solving issues, stop torturing targeted individuals, says Nara. Christmas hall burned to cinders at Jalnal village. JEC urges not to grant bail to murder accused. The Morning Bell. Arrest of CPI leader Shotin Kumar smells of political vendetta, says Dr. Nara. Practicing religion meaningless without having human values, says Chief Minister. ILP cannot protect Manipur from demographic imbalance triggered by CAA, says Congress. Pump House No. 1 began functioning. Inferno raises down Christmas hall at Jalnal village.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Nine dead, 2 critically injured in massive fire in Delhi. And Congress JMM goes past majority mark. BJP had on 28 seats in Jharkhand. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.